Introducing our best performing commercial stand mixer ever, the all-new Kitchenaid commercial stand mixer, designed with chefs in mind.
We do work with the best ingredients and best equipment, so providing our students everything they need to themselves reach excellence. We use the Kitchenaid mixer every day. This is the typical small piece of equipment that you need at all time.
See how it's kind of carrying like that?
Chefs are not gentle with the pieces of equipment, so we do need very strong pieces of equipment. The whip shape is what we're looking for the perfect whip. You have such a shape that you can whip a smaller amount of egg white and a larger amount, and it will still give you the perfect end result. What I love about this bowl is this new shape. Very easy to grab, this open-ended handle, very easy to stack for storage. Finally, you have a piece of equipment that it's designed with professional, by professional, for professionals.
The Kitchenaid commercial stand mixer, helping chefs create great cuisine. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary Kitchenaid quality.
As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5-quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. This 4-quart stand mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods, ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 300-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can handle thick cookie dough and whipped cream in no time. Planetary mixing action gives complete bowl coverage. The mixing head spins as it rotates completely inside the bowl, giving better mixing than traditional 2-beater stand mixers. This mixing action reduces the need to stop and scrape ingredients from the side of the bowl, saving you time. 7 speeds give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Attachments include a non-stick flat beater, dough hook, and whisk. All attachments, as well as the stainless steel 4-quart mixing bowl, are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Mix to your heart's content with the Hamilton Beach stand mixer. Now that's good thinking.